I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building deep flavor. Roast 3 lb beef bones until well browned. This develops Maillard notes. Once done, char 1 halved onion and 4 garlic cloves directly on heat for smoky sweetness. Meanwhile, toast 1 cinnamon stick, 3-star anise, 1 tsb coriander, and 2 ancho chilies briefly to bloom aromatics. Put everything in a large pot, cover with 6-8 water, and bring to a gentle simmer to extract maximum gelatin and spice complexity. You now focus on controlled extraction. Keep the pot at a bare simmer for 3-4 hours so collagen converts to gelatin without clouding. Make sure to skim foam and excess fat every 20-30 minutes. This keeps flavors clean. Once reduced, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, and adjust with 1 tsb salt to balance umami and salt. Finally, strain the broth through a fine sieve and reduce by simmering if you want a richer, more concentrated base for the pho. You finish by assembling layers of texture and freshness. Cook rice noodles according to package, drain and shock in cold water to stop cooking. This keeps them silky. Thinly slice raw beef against the grain and place on noodles. Ladle hot broth to poach meat, then garnish with chopped cilantro, sliced scallions, pickled red onion, lime, and jalapeno for Mexican heat. If the broth tastes too salty, add water and a splash of lime. If bland, reduce more or boost with fish sauce. This balances flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.